Oh, iyo.
Poni ni binara bikim dona buni bitokanin dona mata katalingo.
Iyo.
Mata kauza to
Kimamina
bagalita
melo
mata.
kimamina buli bono kurni buli ronglim.
Iyo, bada bokitu. Itu na ratu talaga. Kemudian kanda bulebu kato talaga ratu luke.
Orang tu lu kemaya.
Laiba chiko. Poni ni binara bikim ni kadre bitokan wala mana mata di kuwa mata gitu na weekend enda na gero na talo takana wekanda ko no to stak tu main dan nguni sale. Mele lebu.
Ya, ya, turun naik.
Benak.
Ana udah kami kami nas kisar sar cuma yang matakan di korban.
Iya.
Kau cuma lagi show na bakal bilang talebe ya BSP.
Iya.
Unsecured personal loan.
Right.
What the punches the proud sponsors of the
Fiji.
ya tira mata ni sa may utsun season ni Super Rugby. Okay, siya nga mondo ni namude na toko na to chino dorbo. Wala ba?
Iya hindi na.
Wala ba King Charles?
Iyo totoo ba ito nang andaya? Ano kita
Right,
mata?
kita mata. Kita bikin mereka na turang go sure cuma mengolen kian na marute itu na abika membelatan na hubali bagatui.
Iyo, ronda ba King Charles?
King Charles. My per tadi ya, asure itu ya na songole buka pakai duri na British High Commission.
Right.
And mo ni mata sa uci na Singapore rumbuk. Bena kita lo tak cukup dems na tapos so atu tu lamang di buno ya.
Right.
Dah boleh besar. Iya, udah mereka pun negara kita bikin ni tahu tu yang turun tulung di salah, pun traffic jam na mata ke dedai.
Don.
Kita bikin ni na lu bebi tu di sem satu bebayaw.
Wow.
Kita sampai serba cukup turun itu video apa kita turun kita apa tak pernah mata sa uci.
Ikaw na na chumalang.
Aku cuma lagi so. Kita mau nak kill balik.
Kachi sarto na kachi.
Iya. Betul dah cuma lagi nggak?
Chumalang imbelatan ni sanu na ba tu ya?
Iya.
Barang-barang ba na bosa?
Iya.
O katalo na ni ko.
Di baka mamarte na bosa.
Mama, madi katalo man ni sige mi kata.
Saya kalau naman dia bertemu ko ni daw yan ra totolo ni ra tu ni suli. Karena
Au
ando
laka mga anak yan naman. Ang bitutian ni boy
Nalala.
sa ko. Sino ba ito?
Ano na boleh berangkat to you all tuning in this morning on Outs Palangi Show. Ada udah nak kan buru bitokan yang mata kan di bakat sampai sini kuah.
Don benak.
well, good morning to each and everyone joining this morning, even though it's cloudy now. Cloudy. Hey, how's I can realize the difference between the last week and this week.
Yeah.
Last week, very cold.
Very cold.
Yesterday night,
Yeah.
like seems to
Hot.
warm.
So no blanket.
No blanket.
Oy. Tuwa sarto nga.
Tuwal itu kami mulu lebu.
Sige tu.
So we was there. Mela mula binaka. All the way from Australia.
Right.
Yeah, good morning this morning, and everyone joining to the Outs Palangi Show. Hey,
Yeah.
good morning to this girlie,
Iyo.
to from Melbourne.
Oh, Australia.
Yeah, kina lo mani korbatura na narukunimbua.
Australia.
Namosi
Namosi.
na bubala tui may sala.
Alright.
Benar bicara tako maki malemani Australia. Thank you to my tao.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Chone koroi. No. Chone koroi tuku na ibalu.
Yeah.
Good morning to the Sawa native.
Alright.
Bula benaka.
Ano na tayo malasembe
Bola.
baka di binaka i tepuke.
Iyo.
Bili main na bawa rochi na job.
Naita.
Hotel tabo do yan binaka kalau ka siguro ngarabi tabi na mata ni kuah.
Slay.
Tell us about your weekend. Okay, last Friday,
Yeah.
we saw some pictures from the British High Commission.
Yeah.
From England, you were there.
I was thankful.
Yeah.
I was thankful enough for being part of the birthday call.
Yeah.
Celebration of the King Charles' birthday
Oy.
was happening
But
here
the
at
birthday towards the end of the year.
at the point he celebrated 2 times.
Oi.
The birthday celebrate. I had it on the day.
Yeah.
They celebrated 2 times.
2 times. Oi.
A year.
Oh,
So
yeah.
the 14th
Yeah.
last Friday.
Right.
14
Because
June and 14 November.
I searched on the Google
Yeah.
and it said like this 14 November.
Yeah.
So as it's 14 November, it's a 2 times celebration.
Sanji na.
For
Wala
the
na.
King Charles' birthday. So I went on.
Before that, you have a beautiful shirt there.
Oh, this was for on the night.
Way.
That's from King Charles.
We went for
The local one.
we went there.
Yeah.
So we doing the celebration. So from 6 to 9,
Yeah.
plenty like the high class.
Oy.
I
Yeah,
was
man.
there. I was selected to be part of the
Example.
from the government.
Yeah.
The owner of this company
Yeah.
was there too.
Mr. William Parkinson.
Alright.
Yeah.
And I see plenty people.
Yeah.
Plenty friends there.
Yeah.
I was there. I was lucky
Yeah.
to be part of that thing. But One day.
Namale matagal na bisurich me tamayaw.
Anything come across,
Yeah.
full blast, celebration.
Yeah.
Wine, rum, beer. I got it. And
No
from there,
good, we.
after 9,
Yeah.
9 o'clock, I leave I have to go.
Where?
Memang kira rin tostal tumandoyaw.
Tosta le merto bundukyaw. From there, we do chesa prawns.
Sí.
Kind of chesa there.
Oy, telas.
Oh.
Talo tama
They learn how to save, eh?
Yeah.
People thankful to the British Commission,
Namun
to the
Korea.
government, and also to everybody was there
Right.
for being, they know how to save people.
Yeah.
They knew if you come
Hey.
along, they come and talk with you.
Nabubaliwatu
So when I
yun.
asked my friend,
Yeah.
who are these people? He
Yeah.
said, they're the soldier too. They're the British Army.
Uy.
Some people are standing there. They're ex-British Army.
You mga little okay.
Ano nga, Brisami?
I saw one photo there. You with another guy.
Another guy. So
Yeah.
the guy was coming.
Yeah.
Was coming like this was, hey, how
Yeah.
are you? My name is and I respond, my name is As soon as we
Yeah.
sa
As soon as my name is and his name is and then as soon as we
you are sabi pa madalating na.
Yeah.
And pala said I was a response and I asked, you are from here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sa Tarogoy ko.
yeah. No, I'm from the China, but I'm saving here in Fiji.
Una sabi ko kinabi ko ng bila.
Oh, and I asked, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
My English is 5%. I'm sorry. And the fella said, no worries.
No worries.
That's not your dialect.
Yeah.
As malagi
I
this.
will understand.
I understand. We doing when
Ano na Lucy Queen
when
Bin
I was,
kala di Albany.
when a wine was there inside
Company
me.
man.
When the wine is standing inside of me,
Yeah.
and the rum too.
Yeah.
Myself, my English was very fluent.
Yeah.
And I back up my English with laughing. So I was there. I was very happy to be part of the. If you want to see the photo,
Yeah.
it's there in our Facebook page.
Yeah.
Right.
You have Facebook page, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I was happy.
Yeah.
For the next morning,
Yeah.
9 o'clock, I come back because I was doing the farewell for my mom.
I thought you want to go back there.
Go back there, may banggaray. Farewell there, my mom and my
Yeah.
sister, they
Yeah.
went back to
Ano lebo
Bonole.
na, eh?
Bonole went to
Karon
Balimbing.
na vibes.
So they went back. So I
Yeah.
was there. Early in the morning,
Yeah.
4 a.m., 3:30,
Yeah.
they woke me up. We're going for the leaving them
Yeah.
to the bus stop.
All right. Before going to Notovi,
Yeah, Notovi.
from Notovi to Numbawa, eh? Okay, before our story this morning, ano pinakatay Malasembe,
Bulan.
ako na pinakabirtunong lewa, may Opotiki,
Right.
Talay, Imeri, Lana, Pau, Bibi, Bisoko, bata ki Siasara, ki Bibi Sena, Mahu,
Bulan.
na nominate Nene, Tepuke, and Mataka Binariko. Our story.
This is a story about one fella named Tiger.
Oi.
Yeah, we have anybody.
Yeah.
Anyhow, anywhere we can call each other by nickname.
Right.
So this name was a name according to an animal, the
Yeah.
yellow and black.
Damn.
Tiger.
Like that, eh?
Yeah, Tiger. So Tiger was a fella was named accordingly to what his feature,
Yeah.
his moving, his style of life,
Yeah.
his technique.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
So everything he
Just
does,
like a tiger.
everything he does, just like a tiger.
Yeah.
So the name according to them.
Yeah.
So one day, the police officer,
Yeah.
they got one report from the SSR.
Yeah.
Some people they
Yeah.
kidnap the house.
Yeah.
Kidnap the house.
Kidnap the house. Yarto pasok na balik.
Kidnap the house. You wait.
Uchi, the fella was there.
Yeah.
The fella just came from the college.
Yeah.
He just came from the college.
Yeah.
And you know that Tiger
Yeah.
was there.
Suman and yeah.
Sa halaman namin beda,
Yeah.
nakasabi.
This must be Tiger.
This is Tiger.
Yeah.
See?
Sa kilala ko yung tiger ko.
Yeah, Tiger.
Yeah.
This is Tiger. He
Yeah.
doing this.
Yeah.
Then the police came. The police came. One big fella came there.
Yeah.
Big fella, you know the story of Alan Kotameni Asilo Pukasi.
Yeah.
He look like Asilo Pukasi. Big one, black dog fella.
Yeah.
But the voice is very dangerous.
Yeah.
So the fella was there. When see the fella,
Yeah.
Tiger was like this. And the fella, that Tiger.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
you
You
is the
come here.
one.
You come here.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
You the one who take the house.
Yeah.
You come na bale.
You're the one who take the money.
You take all the thing from there. Where?
Yeah.
Is you heard your story about this and about that? Is you Tiger?
Yeah.
The fella in the humble voice.
Yeah.
No, I'm not Tiger.
Yeah.
I'm believer.
Yeah.
I'm believer from the and the fella
Yeah.
due to
But
the
kasar mo tayo ka.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Israeli is Filipe.
Filipe.
Yeah.
But his nickname was Tega. The
Yeah.
people, even though
Yeah.
the Tega on the tattoo on his left shoulder,
Yeah.
he was there.
Ah.
He was asking by the police officer.
Yeah.
So the fella was like this. The fella, due to the Afriness,
Yeah.
some mixed ako kay Ronald Nyanyan.
Yeah.
Myself, my name is Filipe. I'm not Tega.
Yeah.
I'm from Overlawiningau. Everybody at the back of the squad laughing at the
Kali mo ko
I want to Tega. No, I don't want to.
Are you
go to
Tega?
No, I'm not Tega. I'm Filipe.
Ang mo tayo ka?
Saya nga sinalang ko Tega. Sinalang ko Filipe ang maningaw may law.
Ha? El tal na tuwa tayo ka?
Pinamali BSP pati kay Punja sinabito ko ni.
Yeah.
Ngona BTFM out pa lang show.
Dodo.
Kami lang kay Kachi.
Kali ko pag hindi na bulu bitakan na matang ko bikim na kanda na. Laro siguro bulu biso siguro rakyat na matang din dai. Bikim na metang taka bikim na tu mati bulu bikim na chubi bikim na mabuwa makawa.
Iyo.
Ako na baka ter na ngorwango. Babi bicho bikim na ngasi.
Dorme.
Talaki kalau siguro matang singa.
Iyo.
Yung ko warin ni dilo siguro matang singa. Kembali.
Iyo.
Ora mati siguro biyo kay batagan rakigo.
Pagandua, tatara.
Numunigyan nga na matang singkat kata bina kasetu ya.
Racist.
Saking mebangunan rakibisaw.
Iyo.
Dato ko sa rawa malua.
Dina.
Bita na maru tagi turu bito kan na matang di biya ingara ni ko.
Iyo. Nrake ba ko sa nga ditska tanga naman eh.
Don mo binaka.
Iyo. Erna kas mersade ng tubang nga.
Tore saranga. Yara binaka tulang night fo ani binaka bito kan na matang ko kito sarma tataw ke.
Don binaka.
Matang di matang maru siguro bulang ko kurmundo.
Yaw bika galo bola.
Gonde Messi.
Di kalawata.